Hello there. Is your warewash chemical supplier letting you down? Don't worry, TMA-Chemnet has you covered. We manufacture products that keep kitchens clean and safe. High temp, low temp, hard water. TMA-Chemnet has a detergent for any application. Rinse additives will leave your dishes sparkling in any conditions. Keep your patrons safe with an EPA-registered, low-temp sanitizer. Battling hard water? We've got limers for dish machines, steam tables and kitchen equipment. We take operator safety seriously. Bilingual wall charts and SDSs are readily available. For more information, contact Josh Brown at brownj@chemnet-systems.com or at 859-250-7809. Be sure to check us out at www.chemnet-systems.com. We're Soapers.